high value men, the 80-20% rule works here. They are disgusted by, average men. They will, just, they will give you the box, either because you have, what's up my inspired alphas? Welcome back to another video. And today, I'm telling you 4 things you did not know about women. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. Let's jump into the video. Number 1, women have fantasies. Just like guys do have fantasies. Women have fantasies with guys. No matter how old or how young this woman is, she has fantasies. And every woman has her own fantasy. And when you are able to deliver her fantasy, she's going to fall in love with you because you are her perfect guy. And all women have like the same fantasy. This guy who is handsome, this guy who is high value comes and sweeps her off her feet like something from a movie. That is just by being unique. When you are unique in your own way, you can satisfy her fantasy by just being you, just when you are focused on yourself, just when you are masculine, when you hold a masculine frame. These fantasies that these women have, all it means is that they have that desire to be feminine, to be with a guy who makes them feel like they are, women. Because women these days are masculine. Women these days want to argue with men, and men have become feminine. So these rare guys, these guys who can be able to lead her, who can be able to show her the way, who can be able to put it down so good in the bedroom, who can be able to give her experiences, who can be able to just be the man that she desires. You are going to make her crazy about you. Just think about it. Think about your ideal woman, the girl that you have fantasies with. What if you met her? What if you met a lady who is beautiful, submissive, cooperative, and feminine? She does things to you in the bedroom that you've never seen, and you're going to keep her. That is the same scenario. That is the same scenario. Number 2, women love getting laid. Yes, women love sex. Women love getting laid, but they act like they are little princesses and angels, and 80% of the guys out here think that women don't like getting laid. Women probably love getting laid more than men. But there is a catch. Women like guys who are attracted to. Not just any guys. Women love to have sex with guys that are high value, with guys that have value, with, she wants to feel like she's privileged to have you. She's lucky. That is how she enjoys it. That is how she will like it. That is how she will never get enough of you. You can be sure 100% that if you are a high value guy, you are on point with everything and you hold a masculine frame, the women that you encounter in your life, they will always want you. They will never get enough of you. If you are holding yourself masculine enough, you're on your purpose, you're on your grind, you take care of yourself, how will she ever get enough of you? Because you are unique. It all comes back to being unique. It all comes back to being that guy that you are building yourself to become. Imagine right now you are on your path. You've not reached there, but women are falling for you. Women want you. Women can't get enough of you. Imagine when you're at the top. Imagine when you're at the top, the abundance that you will have. Imagine how women will treat you then, when you have everything and you're still pushing on, conquering the world, helping others, becoming the leader of your tribe. Imagine. Women love getting laid with high value men. High value men. The 80-20% rule works here. They are disgusted by, average men. They will, just they will give you the box, either because you have money, because they want attention from you, because they want something from you, but they are not attracted to you. But if you are at the top 20%, she wants you. She doesn't want your money. She doesn't want your attention or anything. She wants you. She wants you because you are unique, and she will not get enough of you. So guys, be on your grind. Stay on your grind. Stay on your purpose, and you'll see what I'm telling you. You will see. You'll definitely see it, and you won't believe how easy it is. You won't believe it. I'm telling you, sometimes I just laugh because things that 2 years ago were the most difficult things for me, right now I don't even put any effort. It's just so easy, just by being on my grind, focusing on improving myself. Everything is easy. You only get challenges in life in your grind, but not with women, because they are chasing you. They are chasing you because they love it. They love this thing. They love how you put it down on them. They love who you are. A girl the other day told me she just loves being with me, even if I was broke, and she was telling me that, she just loves the guy that I am. Nothing else, just the guy that I am. And I was thinking to myself, 2 years ago, I could never get any chick, but now they are chasing me. So stay on your grind, stay focused, my guys, stay focused. Number 3, women will always have double standards. Yeah, guys, never complain about women having double standards. Let's look at this logically. Women operate on an emotional level, but the society has, made them logical. Now, women are masculine and feminine at the same time. Don't you see that is a double standard? Even as men, we have double standards. There are men who are masculine and feminine at the same time. You want to be masculine and feminine. No, now look at this. A woman will be attracted to a high value guy, but will be logical. She will operate emotionally with a high value guy and operate logically with a low value guy. She has to, because she has to be able to pick the best for herself. Now, when they say they want, a woman is short but wants a tall guy, why wouldn't she want a tall guy? Because she's looking in the future. If I have kids, do I want short kids or do I want tall kids? She's looking at being, having the best for herself and her offsprings. So these double standards that I see men trying to complain and saying, oh, she said she's short, she wants a tall guy, come on. If you complain about women, you'll never enjoy, the freedom of having an abundance. But if you continue looking at the positive, if she has double standards, well, as long as it does not affect you in any way, because you are a high value guy, well, you only pick the best for yourself. If she's not the best for you, why bother? Why bother? Now, if she's not the best for you, why complain about it? Why don't you go get the best for yourself? Guys, in this journey, we don't complain. We don't complain. We change what we can change. What we cannot change, we just learn to live with it. So, expect double standards from women. But all you can do is choose the best. Choose the most easiest. Like, yeah, why go for headaches? And there are women who will be submissive, cooperative, be pretty, do everything for you, and still be, you know, it's easy because they're attracted to you. I don't understand, guys. Don't complain. Just learn to pick the best out of life. Whatever you cannot control, leave it to the universe.